Fiero GT. The following movie is rated I.
Let's go to Froggys in a Fiero. But first, let's drop off a free key tag for the winner. Thanks, Hayden. Come on, Fiero, let's take a ride. Oh man, you are dirty. Let's go anyway. Froggys. Electrical fire that occurred after hours, Froggys will be closed until further notice. Froggys.
Alright, there's a Froggys Sandwiches 5.9 miles away. Navigate to that one.
Must be something that was fairly recent here.
Well, that sucks. Somebody's doing whoever put their electric in, I bet, huh?
Yeah.
And look at all that business they lost.
What the hell is a franchise? Yeah. All of a sudden there's like 5 fucking locations.
I never heard of it.
No, me either.
That's not the way you're supposed to drive.
Special motorcycle boots and everything. They just got me on them. What a retard.
You don't want none of this Fiero. At least he needs a blanket. Wow. Fairly new rider. I like my $500 car. You don't? Oh, there's Froggys right there. Always park in the end spot.
Brewster Pastry.
Well, let's check out Froggys. First time at Froggys. Froggy loved Daddy. Daddy loves Froggy. Remember that one?
No.
No.
Daddy loves Froggy. Froggy love Daddy. Ribbit.
Age before beauty. Yeah, I guess I'll do that. Frogito burrito. Get a Froggy coffee. It's a little dirty. We're just opening in the morning, I guess. Got cobwebs in the corner. Some dirty food on the floor. I don't think anybody cleaned in here. Sadly.
A few moments later.
Got a couple of these cases. A lot of
I guess they do everything to go. Let's see what this looks like. It looks good. They press it.
They didn't shy on ingredients, so that looks good.
Yeah, looks pretty good. This is pretty good too. I had to put some hot sauce. Had to stop at the bakery, definitely.
Oh, we'll have to pop in here sometime.
Oh yeah. Jeez.
Here, try 2 donuts.
Try 2 donuts.
Back for these.
Alright, we have to.
No,
I can't refuse
I'm
them.
twisting your arm, okay?
Thank you.
Yep, enjoy.
Have a good day.
Thanks. Have a good weekend.
You too. Happy Memorial Day.
Yeah, happy Memorial Day.
My aunt.
Alright. Brewster's Bakery.
Sorry.
Man, this is filthy. Filthy, dirty Fiero. I guess we'll keep the donuts up there so we can eat them. Definitely not a Dunkin' Donuts donut. That's pretty good.
What?
Definitely if you're down in Brewster, stop here. Just go around the Brewster Carmel way. Haven't been up that way.
Yeah, just go for a ride. You know, I think I only went down this road once or twice. You know,
That
at
one?
this intersection. Yeah.
We'll have to look down here sometime when we're ready to eat.
Right.
really
It's a
not
little,
that bad
it's a
to get
little
here.
far, but it's no further
If
than
we
going
take
to
the back
Danbury.
roads,
Right.
yeah, it'll just be a nice leisurely.
Thin pole.
I don't know. I was only
Yeah.
here one time.
This is it right here. The old Briar Patch. So that's what became of the old Briar Patch, huh?
What's that?
Spins Bowl.
O'Dean's Barbecue and Meeting House.
Huh. Yeah. Axe throwing. That's pretty cool, yeah.
Something different.
Right?
It's like kind of cool spot for young, well, old people that aren't us to hang out in.
Oh, that's the sheriff's station. Maybe that's why. Maybe that's why Snatch Patch or Briar Patch closed down.
Huh.
Can't have a bar next to the sheriff's station. I remember I left that place. Coal patch.
Can't afford it.
Congratulations, Hayden, on winning. Yellow key tag. Look at that beauty. The car.
Over there.
They're all over.
Oh, Gizmo! Get my treat.
Is that a Pontiac Fiero?
Impressive. I know.
No. No, that's not impressive.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products to use are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.